Cygnus moving very slowly towards that capture point, about 0.03 meters per second. We are closing in at 20 meters from the space station. We are expected to get live views from a camera on the end of the robotic arm as it approaches the grapple target on the Cygnus spacecraft. We are less than 15 minutes from that first capture window. A brief look ahead after the capture of the spacecraft. It will be maneuvered to that Earth-facing port on Node 1, the Unity module of the International Space Station. As Cygnus comes into view, you can see the grapple fixture there. You have a pinwheel-looking feature at the bottom, and then there is a horizontal bar just above that. Woody Hoburg, NASA astronaut who is prime for this capture, is aiming for that line and using it as a guide. Northrop Grumman's 19th commercial resupply service mission successfully captured by the station's robotic arm. NASA astronauts Woody Hoburg and Frank Rubio working together with flight control teams here at Mission Control Houston and in tandem with Northrop Grumman's flight control team in Dulles, Virginia. The spacecraft was captured at 5:52 a.m. Eastern Time, 4:52 a.m. Central Time.